Alrighty traders, George here. Time for a quick look at the week in review. To start out with, here is a screenshot of the video that you guys saw for Tuesday morning. This was quickly activated and moved to target 1 short at 50.19s, and we zipped down to target 1, and then in the live trading session Tuesday I gave you a re-entry essentially at this target 1 here to move down to target 2. For the setup for gold, this is what we had to work with. After a big sell-off here in gold, we were looking for gold to pop up and move into this area where there's just not as much trading commitment. Here's what actually happened. For gold, the follow-through was here. Price trying to pop up over this 1270 level here, got a little bit out of the gate here, and then chopped for a small loss, and then 2 more times here. So we actually did 0 for 3, minus $500 on this. But you can see this follow-through here that just happened. The bulls finally got it up into this area here. A little bit of a challenge for that to happen, but you can see how big the response was. That's essentially the trade activity we were looking for here. But on the trade call with the limitations on re-entries, this is what we did for the single contract trader. Minus 500, 0 for 3 there for gold. And then for oil, this is the follow through we had right here. Oil really was quite efficient compared to gold, and maybe a little bit of a turn there. The move down here happened very quickly, 50.19 to 49.80s for that first entry to target 1. Then in the live training, we did the analysis for the re-entry here at 49.77s. That took it to the second leg down here to 49.33s. And you can see at both target locations how price sort of stalled out. It definitely stalled out here at target 1, and at target 2 you can see that it went sideways quite a bit. A lot of volatility, more sideways, and there's actually 2 re-entry opportunities here for those of you that are taking this to the next step. Another 88 ticks possible here with the re-entry short here at 49.77s, and again set up perfectly for 2 more to the short side. I'm not tracking these guys here, but I just wanted to make sure you were aware of that and are following that for those of you that have the balance beam charts. So we did 2 for 2 here for 83 ticks. Here's what it looks like on our balance beam spreadsheet. So 330 for this week here, and going back a couple of weeks, you can see our gains have been a little bit smaller than we typically see, but we are staying profitable every single week here, and we're building on our equity curve. And keep in mind, this is a single contract per market performance here, so this is really tailored towards those of you that have smaller accounts that are trying to build your accounts up, small stops, take advantage of the targets when they're there, be very defensive when they're not. We're into our second year of doing this right now in this series, so every week the videos have gone out, and you can see them if you subscribe. Use the link at the bottom of the video and you can get these trade calls in advance. You can even learn how to use the balance beam model itself. If you want to be a chart-based trader, you can do that as well at the same link. Have a fantastic weekend, everybody, and we'll see you back in training on Tuesday.